Welcome to my channel, which is Chetna Thagela, which is my style Namaste also. Okay, so this is the second day in Shillong and currently we are in Police Bazaar, and after that we are going to take a cab and we have two options to go. First is the cleanest village in Asia, which is near Turkey, and the second one is CHEERAPUNJI. So we are a little bit confused at where we have to go. I just came on taxi stand to explore the price and I will update you about that. We didn't do breakfast and already it's 12 o'clock. So yeah, I'll show you everything. We are in Police Bazaar and standing in taxi stand. Okay, so we have decided that we are going CHEERAPUNJI, and CHEERAPUNJI on the way वो हमें 7 to 8 places दिखाएंगे और 7 to 8 places जो उन लोगों ने डिसाइड कर रखी है वो लोग हमें दिखाएंगे. तो मैंने उनके साथ एक डील की है. दे आस्किंग 3000, सो आई जस्ट टोल्ड कि 7 places नहीं घूमनी है मुझे. 3 places घूमेंगे जो आपकी पसंद की होगी और 3 places घूमेंगे जो मेरी पसंद की होगी ऑन द वे में. एंड क्योंकि मैं 7 places नहीं जा रही हूँ आपके अकॉर्डिंग, 1 places उसमें से कम हो रही है और बस 3 ही लोग हैं और 2 ही बैग है हमारे पास. So I just done the deal and I've done the bargain. So they agree on 2500. So 2500 we are going towards CHEERAPUNJI, and in between the places are coming, we are going to explore that also. So I'll just update you about that. So this is a Shillong and we are leaving the Shillong now. 10 to 20 minutes our cab is coming. I'm carrying my laptop bag right now and it's really heavy. Shillong market, which is in front of Police Bazaar, and it's a kind of very famous market in Shillong. Like Shillong की सारी जनता यहीं आती है शॉपिंग करने. So this is the Madras cafe between the market. We'll taste the food and give you the feedback. राइट नाउ वी आर इन खासी हिल्स, और खासी हिल्स में एक खास बात है कि जब शादी हो जाती है लड़का लड़की की, तो लड़का लड़की के घर जाके रहता है और जितनी भी जायदाद होती है, जितनी भी प्रॉपर्टी होती है, वो घर की सबसे छोटी बेटी को मिलती है. एंड शी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द पेरेंट्स एंड द होल एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ पेरेंट्स. सो दैट्स रियली नाइस, क्योंकि इंडिया में ऐसा कल्चर होना चाहिए. जहाँ भी मैंने देखा है वहाँ पे लड़की अपने हस्बैंड के घर जाती है, but in Khasi Hills the boy have to come in the girl's place. So really nice culture here. I'm feeling very nice, and my friends are telling it's very sad. It's very good actually that they're not following the same rules which everyone is following. So very 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 nice culture और बहुत nice concept है. So it's really nice. So I'll tell you more details. We are right now in cab and we are going to watch CHEERAPUNJI. Charges है 100 rupees per head, and we are going inside the elephant falls. This is the area. Actually the city is very clean and very peaceful. So the first stop is here. This is the dustbin actually, guys, and dustbin is looking so nice. Waterfall, the elephant waterfall, and this is that first floor. मतलब अभी हमें और नीचे जाना है. So पहली stage ये है that you can see the waterfall like this, and then we will go more down so we can see the waterfall from a little bit closer.